Are you tired of seeing a boring tissue box in your living room? Something to sneeze about has got you covered. It is perfect for adding a pop of color and style to your home. Our colorful and decorative tissue box covers will add a pop of color to your space while also hiding your tissue box. There are over 200 designs to choose from, and customization is available to fit your unique style. They are perfect for a colorful homeowner, decorator, or a gift for a loved one. Plus, it's so easy to change out the cover for the season or mood, and the best part, our tissue box covers are great for kids too. They'll love the bright and playful designs and have fun picking out their favorites. Get yours today for only $20 and bring a touch of fun to your space. Order now and enjoy free shipping on all orders. Click the link below to get yours now.